Okay, hello and welcome to artdayjob.com. So this site was made to help people that are just starting out in art to hopefully further your career using different tools and tricks that we have come up with here at artdayjob.com. So I am a beginner basically. I've had years of experience, but I consider myself a beginner because I haven't really been paid that much to create my art. I've done some book covers, I've done some logos, I've done some graphics for people's websites. But you know what? I don't feel like an artist yet. I feel more like a writer. And so whenever I created artdayjob.com, I wanted to take the next step. I wanted to go forward with art. To me, the greatest thing in the world is to sit there and create art and have people buy it. I mean, what could be better than that, right? And I'm trying to push my daughter to do the same thing. She's really quite talented in anime, art like that, those little cartoon things, but she's exceptional at it. So hopefully I can keep her from going to college. I have to be quiet, the wife will hear me. She's downstairs. But yeah, so this is for you. If you want to make money with your art, and if you're trying to do that, hopefully we can help you a little bit. All right. Hope you enjoy the channel, and go over to artdayjob.com and see what we have at the website. We have a lot of articles and some step-by-step things on how to draw different things. Mostly fish right now. That's what I like. All right. Cheers.